Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It comes with great features you love. Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.